Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply sell items in market. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in your store and then just go here to your profile name and just scroll down to inventory. Right when you're right here, you're gonna see like plenty of items, and I don't know, these badges here or some items here, or I don't know, these are like really cheap. I sold literally everything I had. So wait, I'm looking for something. Battle Royale, oh my god, that game. So I don't know, this one here for 0.06 or... Yep, this one here. And now I just sell it and I like, you receive, I agree. 0.2 and buyer pays 0.04. And voila, this is how you do it. So it always includes a fee for Steam, and they make so much money, by the way, guys. They make so much money on Steam from this. And put it for sale. Yep. And it's going to be listing will be held for 15 days because I wasn't using mobile authenticator for 7 days. And okay. And voila, this is how you add your item, and this is how you sell your item on market in Steam. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I hope you're going to have a great day, and if you have any questions, just ask. Goodbye.